hope you all are doing well. If you're new, my name is Autumn. Nice to meet you. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this makeup look right here. I don't really know what I was going for. Kind of reminds me of like mermaid-esque kind of makeup. So if you guys want to see how to achieve this makeup look, then go ahead and keep watching. Start off with the eyes. I'm going to use my favorite brush that I use to put concealer or to carve out my brows. I'm going to use this Naked brush. I'm going to be using the flat ended side right here. And I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade Ivory, which is the number 5 one. I take a little bit on the back of my hand and I'm just going to carve out my brows. This is what I always do when I'm working with my eye makeup. I always carve out my brow, and then whatever I have left, I just put it on my eyes for a base for my eyeshadow. Whatever I have left, I'm going to take it on my finger, and I'm just going to apply that on my eyelid. And I'm just using this again for a base for my shadow. And I'm not going to set this base with any kind of like powder or anything. I'm going to leave it the way it is so it stays tacky. So when we go in with my eyeshadow, it's just going to stick on and make the shadows really pigmented. I'm going to be moving back and forth with palettes. I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and the Jaclyn Hill palette, which I absolutely love. There's one color in here that I actually don't like, which is this one right here, which as you can see, it just doesn't pick up enough pigment, I guess. So I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is called Jada. Wow, that palette is all dirty. Okay. Using this BH Cosmetics number 6 brush. This is from their Rose Gold 13-piece set. I have the link down below if you guys want to check them out. I'm not getting paid any kind of commission from putting the link down below. I just got sent some products from them, and I've been using these brushes for a couple of days now, and I actually really like it. So now that I have this base on, you can already tell how pigmented this is getting. I like to start with the center of my eye, and I'll kind of do like swirling motions. Sometimes when I get to the edge, I'll start to pack it, because I don't want it to be too harsh right here at the edge and then be hard to blend at the end. Hold on, I forgot to put my tape on. I'm going in with the BH Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is the light blue. And I'm just going to take the edges and I'll just start to blend this out. Go back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and use that same color that we put down and pack some more. Okay, so next I'm going to carve out my eye. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm using the number 12 brush. And I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Pool Party. I'm going to take this shade right here. Take this Essence eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply it on top of my lash line. I'm going to take my Too Faced glitter glue. I'm going to take this glitter in the shade Peridot Blue. I'll have the link down below of what glitter this is. It's just so gorgeous. As I was waiting for my eyelash glue to dry, I just started like drawing these like weird lines on my eyes. I don't know what I'm trying to do. I was just feeling kind of like mermaid vibes. So I was like, this doesn't even look like mermaid. It's cute. Whatever. I'm wearing these lashes right here. I'll have a link down below what they're called. I'm going to apply some mascara. This is the Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and I'll be right back. Take the Kat Von D Lock It Tattoo foundation. This thing has been through a lot. And the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. Excuses. I was eating pasta. This is not my shade at the moment. This is my summer shade. So don't come for me. The number 3 brush right here. And just gonna buff that. I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm gonna conceal underneath my eyes. The Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. Already add the powder so I can go my contour. I like to do the powder first, then the contour, because I feel like sometimes when I contour and then put the powder, it doesn't give me that like sharpness look, and it still makes my, you know, bronzer look like it's like all the way down here. So gotta be a kid right now and try to stay in the line. And the AOA F6 brush. I know I said I was gonna use the BH brushes, but you guys, I have to use this brush. No matter what, I have to use this brush for bronzer. I don't know what it is about the Stifle brush, but it just makes my bronzer look very airbrushed. Last thing that I usually do is I'll contour just a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. I'm using the Balm Bahama Mama bronzer, which is really good, and I'm using the number 4 brush, which is like a round little tiny brush, so it fits really good right there. This is a storage from Adept Cosmetics, and mine is like all messy because look, don't give me anything that's like black or white because I will ruin it. I don't know about you, but I will ruin it. I try not to, but I'm just a very messy person. It gets on my hands, I touch, I forget to wipe my hands, so yeah. I'm gonna take this shade right here. Yes, I know it's really bright. This is from Profusion. I'm gonna take that and apply it on my cheeks using the number 2 brush. Just kind of like a blush brush. Big fluffy brush that I have, and just kind of like dust that off. So I'm going to take this WinkyLux highlighter. It's in the shade Charm. It's their Powder Lights highlighters. This is such a beautiful shade. It has a little bit of like pink undertones to it. I don't know. I've been liking it. It's really cute. Another shade I like to use is from the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's the shade Beam. I love using that like right there. So I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera and I will be right back so we can finish up the eyes and try to figure out what kind of lip I want to do. Take this Pixi eyeliner. This is a eye brightener liner. I take MAC Subculture lip liner. Look how tiny this thing is. So I'm going to use this NYX Lingerie Baby Doll liquid lipstick, and on top of that I'm going to use this Pixi by Cloe Morello lip gloss. It's their lip icing in the shade Cake. Hey you guys, so I'm gonna change my shirt, do my hair, and I'll be right back so I can look presentable. That's a big word. I hope you guys all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you guys want me to work more using colors, please let me know down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next video.